Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to continue recording our draft video. For example, if you have recently recorded a video in the draft of the TikTok and you want to simply record it again, then how you can do that. So here I am going to tell you. So first of all, I have already recorded a portion of a video in the drafts. Now I want to simply continue that recording. Then how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply open that draft, and here what you have to do is you have to simply click on the back button here. And if you click on back button here, then there will be option available that you can simply continue recording, and here you have to simply press and hold again, and in this way you can simply record that video from this start. Now if you want to pause it again and again want to record in that, you can simply repeat that procedure again. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply save that draft, and after that you have to simply open the draft again, and you have to simply again click on the back button, and here you can simply find the option of continue recording, and again you can simply press and hold and your recorded video will be here. In this way you can simply continue record a draft video without any problem. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.